That is the most famous TikTok sound effect of 2022. The original video that created the sound effect was uploaded to TikTok by 3R ASMR. It is a video of someone snoring, and when you watch it, well, it'll speak for itself. 5 days later, it was re-uploaded to YouTube with an Arabic title and Arab meme vibes. The text in the video translates to, "Poor guy hasn't slept in a week, and he swallowed a Z2080 engine." By December of last year, it became a shitpost compilation meme, also known as 21st century humor. One of the first popular videos using this template was uploaded by BDEO for Life. Even though it was first popularized in these types of videos, the meme was further popularized by stating the obvious, that this is a sound effect of a guy snoring. Around the same time, it was paired with the "Hi, my name is Carmen Winstead" meme.
Hi, my name is Winstead. I'm 17 years old. I am very similar to you. Did I mention to you that I'm of girls?
I have already made a video on that topic. I will put a link in the description if you want to find out more about that. And that is about what you need to know about the sound effect and why you're seeing it on your For You page. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're trying to reach 50,000 by the end of the year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.